It was a very casual day where I was watching YouTube and suddenly I saw this trend and my genius mind told me, Adira, this is a great way to embarrass you in front of people, so let's do it.
Back to the reality, guys. So, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Adira Pushpangadan and you're watching The Crazy Miss. Disclaimer to this video is that these people in my video are all my fleeting crushes. It's the law of attraction that every people have, that kind of thing. So it's not serious, it's not something like a love. No, not that. So don't get me wrong, and we all are such good friends. So I don't know what to say because this is a very embarrassing video. So just let me get embarrassed, guys. Okay, let's start the video. So this is the Google form that I was talking about. So the questions, like we have 10 questions. Okay, so first question is, where did we meet? Second, did you know that I had a crush on you? If you knew that I had a crush on you, how were you able to understand that? Wow, I come up with good questions, guys. Did you ever had a crush on me? Rate my attractiveness. Rate my personality. 10 out of 10, Okay, and quality that stand out in me. What terms we are on, like we are friends, or we are like we don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore like we used to do. That was not necessary, but still, how awkward is this? And few lines for my YouTube subscribers. So this is the 10 questions. So let's get into the responses. So let's start. So the first response is okay, where did we meet? So I think let's name these people. I'm not gonna give their identity revealed because they are good friends and many people know these people. And no, so I'm naming this person Mickey. Okay, so Mickey's response, where did we meet? Kundumburam, Kochi. Okay, so this is one of my Kochi friend. Did you know that I had a crush on you? Yes, of course, we are best friends. If you knew that I had a crush on you, how were you able to understand that? And the answer is, with your emotions towards me. Yes, that is true. I really am stupid. Did you ever had a crush on me? Yes, I know that. Rate my attractiveness. 10. So there is my attractiveness, I have given two options, like it's trash or okayish and my type or cute. So I got 10. So I am cute and Mickey's type. And rate my personality also is just fine and too cool. So I got too cool. That is amazing. Mickey, good. And quality that stand out in me is you talk a lot. You know that. And the next is what terms we are on. So it's like we don't talk, we are chill, we are friends. So we are chill. Actually we are best friends, but still I don't know why Mickey put chill. But okay, let's be chill. How awkward is this? 8. Because it is awkward. Even I felt very awkward sending these questions. So few lines to my YouTube subscribers. She will make you feel cool. Swag. Cool. Okay. So thank you, Mickey, for your valid and very cute response. So the next person, I am gonna call this person it's not opening. Hello. Open. Okay, so I think I'm gonna call this person Bunny. Okay, so Bunny, where did we meet? So Bunny's response is that Facebook, and that is true. Long ago, where I was so active in Facebook. It's like the thunder. Okay. Did you know that I had a crush on you? Yes, obviously. If you knew that I had a crush on you, how were you able to understand that? From your talk. Yeah. Did you ever had a crush on me? No. Okay. Bunny is a liar. Let's get that. Rate my attractiveness. 10. Okay. Rate my personality. Again 10. Too cool. Guys, I am too cool. Quality that stand out in me. Open-minded and talkative. Again, talkative. It's everywhere, guys. Everybody tells that. What terms are we on? We don't talk. I told you, Bunny is a liar. He is a liar. Okay. How awkward is this? 5. We are okay with it. Few lines to my YouTube subscribers. Okay, I'm gonna read it as Bunny's tune. Guys, it's Polly YouTube page, guys. Please click that ting ting, guys. Okay, so Bunny, thank you. I really appreciate your efforts. Bye. Okay. Moving on to the next response is, I think I'm gonna name this person. What should I name him? Okay, so I'm going to rename this person Woody. Toy Story, if you have watched. Where did we meet? College. Okay, that is true. Where are you? Wait. Did you know that I had a crush on you? No. Obviously, no. That is so true. Because I have never... It's not a very big crush also. If you knew that I had a crush on you, how were you able to understand that? Maybe while we were talking to each other, maybe I would have understand. But the thing is, he would have never, because it was a small crush and it just passed away. Did you ever had a crush on me? No, obviously. We are like bros, so it's kind of cool. And okay, rate my attractiveness. 7. I know I am not Woody's type, so okay. Rate my personality. 9. Definitely good. Quality that stand out in me. Talking. What terms we are on? We are chill. Obviously we are chill. How awkward is this? 6. And few lines to my YouTube subscribers. Doing good, but always feel you should do more, better, so you can give all the best content. Actually, Woody, thank you so much for being the motivator. Thank you so much. Okay, moving on to the next person, which is, I think, Cherry. I don't have good knowledge about naming, so just ignore my names. So where did we meet? We met in Assas, which is my college. And did you know that I had a crush on you? Yes. Okay. If you knew that I had a crush on you, how were you able to understand that? Talking. Obviously people understand that by talking, guys. Did you ever had a crush on me? Yes. I knew that. Rate my attractiveness. 10. Rate my personality. 10. Why people are so nice to me? Why? Okay. Quality that stands out in me. Honesty. That is actually true. But I think I am way too much honest. And that is also an issue. Okay. But fine. What terms are we on? We are friends. Yeah, we are friends. And how awkward is this? It's cool. So it's 10. So it's fine. He's chill with it. And few lines to my YouTube subscribers. She is very talented artist, and encourage her passion by like and subscribing to her YouTube channel. You should do that. You should like to this video right now and comment below if you want me to do some crazy things like this to embarrass myself. Subscribe to Crazy Mess. Okay, so we reached the final person, guys. So I have named this person Coco. Okay, So let's see Coco's response. Okay, this is one elaborate one. Where did we meet? At your flat when I came to meet a friend, a sick girl coming out of a blanket thinking, who is he? This is the actual situation, guys. We met in my flat. I have never known this person. This person was my roommate's friend, so we met like that. And obviously I was sick and I was like, who is this guy? But I never had crush on him that time. Okay, that's fine. Did you know that I had a crush on you? Kinda. That's true, because I don't know, it was kinda feeling. If you knew that I had a crush on you, how were you able to understand that? This is a paragraph, guys. Paragraph. Let me read it. It was very transparent and clear. Of course, the day when we were just chit-chatting about the things with the same psychic vibes, when we had all the time in the world just to hear each other, it was confirmed. A very memorable day to be remembered. So this is some of my very good memories that I have with these people. Like, I have many people in my, Bangalore, which are very close to me, and yeah, this person is very close to my heart also. But it is not love or anything else. We are just good friends. And okay, did you ever had a crush on me? Yes. Okay. Rate my attractiveness. 9. Okay. Rate my personality. 10. So I think most of the people have given me 9 and 10 for my personality. So I think, not saying it out loud, I might feel like, boosting myself. Don't note Abarna to be hanged. Okay. Quality that stands out in me. This is also a paragraph. This is the only person have sent me a paragraphed, answers, and it's making me feel so good. So yeah. Well, there are things which you can't be explaining in here. In spite, you have got the enormous energy and you are so enthusiastic where you don't get tired of talking and also listening to the things or maybe their problems, and the mentality to help them and motivate them. The confidence with which you stand alone from the crowd or in front of the world with the soft and generous heart differentiates you from the others. Oh! I feel so happy. I don't know, I don't want to drag it and make it so bad, but yeah, thank you so much. So the next question, I'm just touched by these lines. So what terms we are on? We are friends, and that is very true. How awkward is this? 8, because yeah, we are friends and it is awkward. And few lines to my YouTube subscribers. Okay, so this is something he wants me to tell to you guys, not like him telling you guys, like me telling to you. Okay, so this should be told from your side, like my side. It feels like I am writing an essay competition. Okay, fine. Okay, let's go. In this era of disasters and destruction, every bit of happiness and love we share counts. I'm not a person who keeps the feelings hidden, and I always step out of the box. So guys, please do something uncomfortable today by stepping out of the box. You don't have to settle for what you are. Instead, you get to create who you really want to become. Thank you guys for all the love and support. Also, wholeheartedly, I welcome any suggestions. Would love to rectify all my mistakes if any. Once again, thank you guys. Stay tuned. Love you all. So this is kind of like the last form that I have read, and it is quite everything that I really wanted to tell you guys. Like, I really want to stand out of the box and create so much of good content for you guys. So yeah, subscribe, like, and ring the bell button. Everything you can possibly do. I am just so happy now. Like, I think it's not embarrassing. It is quite happy to know people, appreciate what you are, and yeah. So I think it's time to say bye-bye. I'll see you guys next week. Stay tuned. I love you guys. Bye.